Are you struggling to be productive? Do you start things but often quit within a few days or weeks? So let's learn how a simple habit can make your day 10 times more productive. So let's say you woke up and just before you start your daily routine of, say, brushing or showering, you stop and do something new and valuable. Something like, let's say you make your bed or write a to-do list. So instead of getting up and running to washroom, you stopped and you decided that you're going to take 2 minutes and you fold your blanket and make your bed. Such a small achievement like making a bed can bring immense amount of satisfaction and achievement. This will also make sure that your mood is happy. So when you come back from work all stressed and tired, you see a clean bed waiting to take you in warm arms. This feeling of achievement acts as a fuel to start your day. Continue doing this habit and try to organize your day as a set of goals you want to achieve. Okay, let me explain you with an example. So, instead of saying, I will study today, say something like, today I will make sure that I finish one chapter of history book, and then make sure that you actually achieve that. Or something like, instead of saying, I will not eat junk food, you actually go and cook yourself a healthy lunch. It's all about doing things and feeling a sense of achievement once you have finished them. You know Bill Gates, right? So somebody once asked him, what is your secret to success? And he replied, the first thing when I wake up is that I write down 3 things that I have to be grateful for. 3 things that would make me feel great. Doing small achievements throughout the day will bring you a feeling of motivation. It will also bring you a feeling of self-pride. You will feel confident and driven to do more and achieve more. Take my advice. Tomorrow morning, build a small habit that will benefit you and make sure you do it at least 21 days. You know, science has proven anything that is done for 21 days becomes a lifetime habit, and you need those habits to be successful for a lifetime. If you have any questions, just comment them below and I'll make sure that I answer them. Thank you for watching.